Pastor Matrica of the Jerusalem Baptist Church in South Wales, in a little place called Pentrebach. And one of the challenges we've been experiencing is the number of people that are involved in spiritualism and also involved in witchcraft. So as a church we've been praying about this, we've been giving out lots of different literature and booklets of testimonies of spiritualists who've become Christians. And being engaged in prayer and praying specifically about this, we've actually seen one of the local spiritualists become a Christian. And basically he was initiated into spiritualism through levitation. He was lifted up off the floor, and from that he was continually getting voices in his head telling him to take his life, to harm his children. And as we prayed and ministered to him for over a period of time, all of those voices left, and he's now set free and he's following the Lord Jesus Christ. We continually get people come along to the church who've dabbled in various forms of the occult, and they receive Jesus, and just by simple prayer and simple faith they break through into the freedom that's found in the Lord Jesus Christ.